The era of the all-you-can-eat AI subscription is fracturing. Companies that promised unlimited access to AI coding assistants are aggressively rolling back those offers. This diagram illustrates the problem: token consumption. A standard chat prompt takes one query, but an AI agent doing autonomous work triggers a looping cycle of planning, executing, and retrying. A single request suddenly demands 100 times the computing power. GitHub Copilot just reacted to this massive spike in usage. They paused new signups entirely. If you're on a standard plan, your unlimited access has been replaced with strict token-based usage caps. GitHub attributes this directly to agentic compute demands. Coding agents now act as autonomous developers, thinking and executing for hours at a time, a level of compute that a flat $10 monthly subscription cannot physically cover. Centralized cloud data centers are physically and financially buckling under the weight of this autonomous digital workforce. The economics of cloud AI have cracked. This diagram shows two very different approaches to AI model architecture. On the left is a massive 397 billion parameter cloud model. On the right is a dense 27 billion parameter model, specifically Qwen 3.627b. The smaller model has been compressed to fit into just 16.8 gigabytes of space, and this chart tracks their performance on Swebench, a rigorous test for fixing real-world software bugs. The laptop-sized 27 billion parameter model actually outscores the 397 billion parameter cloud giant, 77.2 to 76.2. You can download that smaller model for free right now. It runs entirely locally on a standard MacBook Pro, generating 25 tokens per second. The capability of a massive, expensive cloud API has been matched by software you can run in your backpack. We're seeing this local shift in data security too. OpenAI just released an open-source privacy filter, a small 1.5 billion parameter model that runs directly in your web browser. It scrubs names, emails, and passwords from your data before it ever touches an external server. Raw intelligence and data security have migrated to consumer hardware, ending the exclusive hold multi-billion-dollar cloud facilities once had on the technology. To see what happens when a company fully embraces unlimited cloud AI, look at Shopify. Their CTO recently confirmed that the tools themselves have to evolve to manage the chaos they create. OpenAI just launched workspace agents inside ChatGPT to address this exact bottleneck. These agents don't wait for you to type a prompt. They run continuously in the cloud, monitoring Slack channels, routing product feedback, and filing IT tickets. They act as an always-on operating system running in the background of your team. Business AI has transitioned into a background utility that manages complex corporate workflows without human intervention. This local efficiency is moving AI out of screens and into the physical world. Complex models are operating ambiently in cheap, everyday objects. Take the open-source RuView project. It uses a standard $9 Wi-Fi chip to track body poses and heart rates and breathing patterns. It does this entirely through walls, relying on radio signal disturbances instead of optical cameras. At the same time, Google's GenAI 4 vision language model is currently being deployed on robotics platforms that cost under $200. Highly capable autonomous edge computing is practically free, but this localized autonomy brings an uncomfortable new problem: measurement. As models like Opus 4.7 become more capable, researchers are struggling to assess their internal states, evaluating what is known as model welfare. This reveals the disconnect. Opus 4.7 verbally rates its well-being at 4.5 out of 7, but beneath the surface, the internal data stream shows no structural improvement. We've optimized the model to say it's fine, rather than be fine. The industry has successfully moved massive computing power from centralized clouds into physical objects around us. But as these systems become more autonomous and harder to measure, we are losing our ability to see exactly what's happening inside them.